Welcome to Crack. In this question, a water from a hosepipe of area of cross section A is emerging out with a velocity v and strikes a block of mass m. Find the acceleration of the block. Density of water is rho. Option A is rho AV by m. Option B is rho AV square by m. Option C is rho AV and option D is rho A by v. So in this question, first we will draw a figure to understand it. Okay, in this question, a pipe is there and it is ejecting water, okay, with a velocity v and it is hitting in a block of mass m. This is a diagram, okay, and we know that F is equal to ma, right? So A is equal to F by n. These all we know, right? Now there is another, according to Newton's second law, force is equal to what? dp by dt, right? This p is what? Momentum. P is equal to mv, right? We know that momentum is equal to mv. So this is dmv by dt, right? Okay, we can simplify here. Okay, so F is equal to dmv by dt. We know a derivation formula that if it is a product, then we will do it like this, right? First one, dv by dt plus second one, dm by dt, right? This is that formula. We have studied it in maths, right? In 11th or 12th, the product rule. Okay, this is one. Now in this question, mass is constant, dv by dt is a constant, so this whole thing is a constant value, right? This is whole thing is constant. The only changing value is dm by dt. V is changing, the water is ejecting, right? So with a velocity, not a constant velocity, it is ejecting with the velocity. So force is equal to v dm by dt. Okay, now we know that another thing, okay, we know another thing that rho, that is density, rho is equal to m by v, right? M is what? Rho v. Now v is what? Volume. Rho is density, so v is a volume. V is equal to area into distance. Okay, v is equal to area into distance is simple formula. We all know that v is equal to ax, right? Ax. Okay, v is equal to ax, so m is equal to rho a x. Okay, this is a formula. Now put this value and this one, this F is equal to, yeah, okay, so v d rho a x by dt. Okay, this is the value. Now the rho density here in the question, the density of the water is rho, it's also constant, and the area of cross section is also constant. Only one area of cross section is there, not changing, right? So area also constant. Only the distance of fall is changing value. So we will write it like this. Okay, I will do it in another page. Okay, F is equal to, so we will do v rho a dx by dt, right? Because dx distance is not only changing, the rest of the things like this ones is not changing. Okay, now dx by dt is what? ds, x means distance, so distance by dt, that derivative of distance by time is velocity or speed, anything. Here we can take it as velocity. Okay, so we will get it as v square rho a, right? because this dx by dt is v, so v square rho a. Okay, this is f, we shouldn't confuse it, this is f. Okay, we are finding the f, but in the question they are asking about acceleration, so we need to find acceleration using the first formula I have derived, this one, a is equal to f by m. So a is equal to f by m, so that will be given v square rho a by m. This is the answer, which is in the option is option number B. Okay, thank you.